Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will keep you ahead of the curve. Whether you're holding XRP for investment or just exploring, transferring it securely is key to managing your portfolio. First things first, make sure you have both Coinbase and Trust Wallet apps installed and updated on your device. This ensures you're using the latest security features, which are crucial in 2025's regulatory landscape. Start by opening your Coinbase account. Log in with your credentials and head straight to your dashboard. Locate your XRP balance. It's usually under the Assets tab. Next, switch over to your Trust Wallet. If you haven't already, create a new wallet for XRP or select the one you have. Tap on the XRP asset, and you'll see a Receive button. Hit that, and it will generate a unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. Now, back to Coinbase. Go to your XRP wallet and select the Send option. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave some for network fees, which might have changed by 2025 due to updates in the XRP ledger. Review everything one last time, then confirm the transaction. Once you've hit send, you'll get a confirmation from Coinbase. The transfer should process quickly, often in minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet to see when the XRP arrives. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and enable security features on both platforms to protect your assets. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your XRP to Trust Wallet. This step is great for decentralization and added security. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.